Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. In this video I'm going to show you how to do the worksheet. In my previous video I have already shown. Now in this video I'm going to show you some more examples, like how to add instruction, how to take pictures and all. So same way we are going to open our Microsoft Word document, and then let's go to insert. Now when you go to insert, click on insert, and then we will go to text box. So select simple text box, then delete. So whatever matter is there, it will be deleted. Now you can add your instruction. So suppose I am adding here, circle the odd one out. So after adding the instruction, you can increase the size by going to home, select home option, then increase the size of the font, and then you can drag it and make it little bigger. You can change the font also, font type. You can select whatever type you want. You can do that also. So you can change the size, you can change the font type. So I have taken Arial 28. Then bring it to center by selecting the center option. Then we can add some pictures here. Now if you want to add some pictures, then we'll go to first, let's do it. Let's go to shape. Now here we can give the background also, like border also we can give. Go to insert, shape, and then select the square shape, just drag it, and then you can give the border for this. Like this you can do it, adjust it, and then go to shape format, shape fill, no fill. So your border will be ready like this. Now we can bring the instruction inside by dragging like this from both the side. Now your outside border is ready. So like this we can do it in all the worksheets, so it will look neat and little more presentable. Now let's add some pictures. So here you can go to any site and then you can take the pictures. So suppose I'm taking apple picture here. So just select any one picture, you just copy paste. So right click, copy, and then go to your Word document and just paste it like this. Now when you select the picture and if you are trying to move it, it will not move. Why? Because there are some settings. So go to picture format, go to wrap text, click tight. When you click tight, now you can move the pictures anywhere you want. So this is a trick which you have to follow in all the worksheet if you are adding any pictures. Now we can crop also. So under picture format only it is there, crop option. So from side whatever extra part is there, you can do that. So like this we will do. Then we can decrease the size. So from the corner we will decrease. We will not decrease from bottom, from the center, or from side. Your picture will not look nice. You can do it from the corner. So from the corner we can decrease the size. See, like this you can decrease, make it little smaller and bring it up. So same thing we can do, copy paste like this, and then let's select other picture also. Let's add any other picture. So whatever pictures you want, you can take it. Suppose I'm taking this ball now, copy image, then paste it. Now again if you see, picture is not moving. So let's go to picture format, go to wrap text, tight. Now you can move like this. Now decrease the size, take it up. Now your first picture is ready. So your child can see and circle the odd one, whichever is the odd one, they can do it. So like this we can add, we can give the divide, we can do the divide option also. So go to shapes. So we can do like this. we can divide the worksheet into 3 parts. So we can add the shapes. Go to insert shapes and draw the sleeping line like this. So you can divide the worksheet in 3 parts. So you can add more pictures in the worksheets. Suppose now I'm taking square, taking some other example. So I'll change the color. So like this you can add, if you want to add shapes you can do that, or if you want to add pictures you can go to site and you can just browse the picture and just copy paste it. So you can do it according to you, whatever you want you can do it. So like this your worksheet will be ready. Next step, as I told you, we can prepare the worksheet in PowerPoint presentation also. So let's open our presentation, PowerPoint presentation. Then you'll go to new slides, select blank sheet, go to insert, same format, go to text box, drag it, and suppose I'm doing now match the capital letter to the small letter. So I'll put the instruction. Then the same way how we followed in Word document, we can change the size, we can change the type, whatever you want you can do it. So it's up to you how you want to do it. Then bring it to the center. Then now here the line, we cannot see the line, so let's go to shape format, shape outline black. Now we can see the line. Okay, now again go to insert, then go to word art and select this. Now here we can add the letter, because we have our instruction is like that, match the capital letter with the small letter. So let's take the letter. Now you can increase the size here like this, then just take it on top. Now let's copy paste the same thing like this. You can change the font color also by going to the shape format. Like this we can copy and then change the letters, whichever letter you want. Then other side also let's put the letters, other side it will be small. So we can do like this, we can change the letter, then copy paste one by one like this. Now A is different, what we teach it's not there, so we can change the font. We can go to this, then we can type here comic, so it will come like this. Then next one, here if you want to add pictures, that also you can do it. So basic worksheet is ready. Now next thing, if you want to put dots you can do that also. Insert shapes, take circle, then put dot like this. Change the color by going in shape format, and same you can copy paste, so your child can just match it from dot to dot. So it will be very easy for your child to match it, and your worksheet will also look nice. And child also, your child will learn the correct thing. So like this we can add the dots like this. So this is ready. Now if you want you can add some pictures also. So suppose I'm taking ant picture here, so I'll go to this, right click, copy, then paste like this and drag it from down. Now when we do it in PowerPoint presentation, there is no option of going to wrap text and doing tight, because in PowerPoint the pictures can be moved. We can move the pictures here and there. There's no problem here. In Word we cannot move the pictures, we have to select that option, wrap text, but here we don't want to do that. It's very easy. So see, like this, from dot to dot your child can match it. So your worksheet is ready. You can put background also for this if you want. That also I'm going to show you how. So you'll go to your PowerPoint, then right click, format background. Then you can select the background, whichever background you want. You can change it like this. So it's up to you, whatever background you want to take. You can increase the transparency, so the color will also change. So hope you like the video. Please like, share and subscribe. Bye bye.